the Fukiware Falls is called as Niagara Falls of Japan, and you can see why this one is called as Niagara Falls of Japan. We are right now in Fukiware Falls. It's a pretty interesting place, so let's go and explore.
Your attention please. It is very slippery and dangerous close to the Fukiware Falls.
You can see Katashina river is just flowing, and the roars are really very soothing to our ears, and the suspension bridge is over there. Very nice place. You can see the Fukiware Falls, and I'm just walking beside the falls. It's really peaceful to see. You know, the Fukiware Falls is called as Niagara Falls of Japan, and you can see why this one is called as Niagara Falls of Japan. It's pretty nice. Mist here to visit in summer. Mark here. It's a chalk mark. See, it's cool. Going to explore this place, and what we are looking at, there are some kind of demons or what?
Like the stones I see familiar.
Yeah, you can see the shapes over there. Wow, so let's go. Those shapes are naturally built. I don't know how these shapes are created. Wow. Can you see the gorge? It's so nice. The water is emerald green, and and the shapes of those rocks are so interesting. And this place is cool, so the perfect place to visit in summer. This river is just flowing and the waves are so intense here. You cannot even hear your own voice. Evil one is more prominent here, so that's why we have to visit till here to see that shape. That demon is eating the river, so the rivers are getting faint here.
Yeah, look, if there's a cave. We're going to another waterfall.
Yeah.
It is like a smaller one, but it is like the force is because of the mist, the water, the rocks are getting slippery, and so like you can slip. That is why we can't see the whole waterfall because it's like that place is slippery and we can fall down. So it's kind of hard to see from here. It's barricaded. Okay, now let's go.
the water of the Fukiware Falls, or you can say the Katashina River, is crystal clear.